I know what you're thinking when you click on these videos. Why the heck do they make so much slime? What is the point? We are making a lot of slime because Slime Mania is approaching. It's not too late. Get your tickets at slimemaniaexpo.com. I'll make sure to link it down below. We're coming to Dallas. Slime Mania is my slime convention. A lot of your favorite IG slime shops are coming. So we have slime vendors that are selling slime. So depending on what package you get, there's different VIP packages. There's GA. We even have like a tardy pass if you want to show up later. It's like cheaper and stuff. But basically, it's just all things slime. We have on-stage activities going on throughout the whole day, like panels, Q&As, challenges, trivias. We have competitions, raffles, workshops. So it's just a lot of slimers getting together and just throwing this big slime party basically. If you want to get your tickets, go to slimemaniaexpo.com. Dallas, we are coming. So if you ever watch these videos where we're making like 50 gallons of slime, it's not like LOL, let's make 50 gallons of slime just for fun, just to get a video out of it. Like, no, we actually are prepping for Slime Mania, and that's why we make these giant batches. I know that I show you guys making the slime, but I don't think I've showed you guys much of the room itself. We have a mixer here, we have another mixer here, we have supplies, we have more supplies and all that. That over there is full of scents. We really should organize these scents somewhere else because they've always been in this cabinet. This room was actually originally an office. The colors are so dark in here. I put a light in here because it was really dark. We have a lot of slushy beads and we're gonna make some slime with that. We have some clear slime sitting here that we made. We always make the clear slimes ahead of time because they have to sit out and clear out. Oh, this is a jelly. This looks like it's about ready. I'm gonna show you guys all the ones we have made so far. This is a jelly. This is a different jelly though because we actually added paint to this instead of food coloring. With food coloring, it would have been more clear. This is more like of a gummy texture, I feel. And it's super squishy. Next up we have dun dun dun. This is, oh, this is the choco milk, right? This one's probably gonna be activated just a tiny bit. This is another jelly slime. This is peach gummy. It has floating peaches. It is incredibly big. This one was recently activated. It is a blue glittery slime. This one has no name yet, actually. This one is so pretty. Look how thick that is. With transit, it's going to get a little softer. This is Cupcakes at Tiffany's, and let me tell you, this is one of my favorite slimes ever. It's a very inflating slime. Extremely soft. If you need any of these slimes, it's this one. It's so inflating, it's so smooth, it smells so bomb. I can't even describe the scent. It's so good. You just need to try it. So this is raspado de vainilla, which basically means vanilla shaved ice. Actually making, I know that a lot of people have done rice pudding. I feel like people have done it in the slime community. And listen, a lot of people make similar stuff. We really want to make arroz con leche just because like we've always wanted to make it. Shout out to everybody else who's done some kind of rice pudding slime or something, but we're gonna put our own little twist to it. We want to make our own version. I think that's good. It's sticky enough. We just added a whole 10 pounds, guys, of beads. This is 1 gallon, guys. It looks like 4. Rip test. Looks good. There's not a lot of bead fallout, which is great. So we just made this. Trying to make like a pumpkin pie. I'm gonna go ahead and mix these to make my crust. This is actually 2 different clays that I'm mixing together. One of them is Kawaii Slime Company clay, another one is Daiso clay. So this is gonna be my crust. Chubbs comes in here every day because he knows we have candy.
Where's the lollipop stand?
What is he doing?
He's trying to tell you something.
Me. We're really out here making pumpkin pie, y'all. Chubbs.
Another one?
Oh god. Chubbs wants all the candy. Hopefully this is fine, guys. I know I'm probably not doing this right, but
Update.
this is the best I could do. We add the clay on the side, like on a baggie, like a little baggie. That way people could, you know, instead of it mixing, because if I add clay right here, I think it's just gonna mix through because it's not like a whole layer. It's just for the swirl. So what if we just add this into little baggies and then people, like, they take it out and they could add it in, you know? You guys, we snapped. I'm sure after we make a few, like, they're gonna get cuter. This was just a prototype. But yeah, we're totally gonna bring this to Slime Mania. Ah! You guys, it feels so wrong, but it feels so right. Are you guys seeing that mixture? Oh my god, it smells so good. I feel like we added a lot of clay to this one. We'll make the other one thinner. Okay, so we're on our way to Dallas right now. I'm gonna. Ooh, can I put the volume down before I get copyrighted? Sorry. We're going to Dallas right now, guys. We're in the RV, and we are still gonna pack slime in here because we're not fully done with the slime.
So we are packing slime on the RV.
You guys, the struggle of trying to get a thumbnail. We literally tried to make a thumbnail out here and we couldn't even fit all the slime in here. I couldn't get a thumbnail at home. Oh my god, there's somebody coming. This is so embarrassing because there's people coming in and out of these elevators. Alright guys, we're out here at the hotel. It has been such a crazy road trip. I'm just so glad that we're here in Dallas already, but we have all the slime packed for the most part. This is my brother's slime. Everything is in their containers finally. We basically packed everything on the way here. The only thing we're packing now is the pumpkin pie one. And we're not making a lot of those. We're actually only making about 20 of these only because they're so complicated to make. We still need the little rim because this time we did them a little different. We made it thinner. Last time it was too thick. So now we're gonna put a little rim for the pumpkin pie crust, and then we're gonna make like the little pinches. We're gonna get the whipped cream going on the bags, and that will be it. But I think this is all I'm gonna show you guys today. It is such a hectic day and it's even hard for me to vlog here because it's just so much going on. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, making some slime slash packing for Slime Mania. I will see you guys tomorrow. This video is going up the day before Slime Mania, so if you want to come through, tickets down below. I'm sorry that this vlog is all over the place, but I wanted to show you the process of making the slime. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys at Slime Mania. Bye.